Discover 24 phrasal verbs with run. Elevate your language skills. Run is a versatile verb that, when combined with various prepositions and adverbs, can change meanings dramatically. Understanding and using these phrasal verbs correctly will significantly enhance your communication skills. Let's explore 24 phrasal verbs with run, along with their meanings and examples. 1. Run after, to chase or pursue someone or something. Example, the dog ran after the ball eagerly. 2. Run against, to oppose or be in competition with someone or something. Example, she ran against the incumbent in the local election. 3. Run along, to leave or go away. Example, children, run along now and play outside. 4. Run around, to be very busy doing many things. Example, I've been running around all day preparing for the event. 5. Run away, to leave a place or person secretly and suddenly. Example, the teenager ran away from home but returned after a few days. 6. Run by, to get someone's opinion on an idea or proposal. Example, can I run this idea by you before the meeting? 7. Run down, to criticize someone or something unfairly. Example, he often runs down his colleagues in front of others. 8. Run into, to meet someone by chance. Example, I ran into an old friend at the supermarket. Example, could you run off 50 copies of this report? 10. Run on, to continue for a longer time than expected. 9. Run off, to print or produce copies of something. Example, the meeting ran on for hours without any resolution. 11. Run out of, to have no more of something. Example, we ran out of milk, so I need to buy some more. 12. Run over, to hit and pass over someone or something with a vehicle. Example, be careful not to run over that pothole. 13. Run through, to explain or practice something quickly. Example, let's run through the presentation one more time. 14. Run up, to accumulate or incur a large amount of something. Example, she ran up a huge credit card bill during the holidays. 15. Run with, to proceed with or continue something. Example, let's run with this new strategy and see how it works. 16. Run out, to expire or come to an end. Example, the contract runs out at the end of the month. 17. Run over, to rehearse or practice something. Example, can we run over our lines before the show starts? 18. Run across, to find or meet by chance. Example, I ran across an interesting article in the newspaper. 19. Run against, to face difficulties or opposition. Example, the project ran against several unexpected issues. 20. Run away with, to be carried away by emotions or imagination. Example, don't let your fears run away with you. 21. Run down, to become weak or tired. Example, after working so hard, he felt completely run down. 22. Run through, to quickly use up a resource or supply. Example, we ran through our budget much faster than anticipated. 23. Run up against, to encounter difficulties or obstacles. Example, they ran up against several regulatory issues. 24. Run out on, to abandon someone or something. Example, he ran out on his family when times got tough. Mastering these phrasal verbs with run can significantly elevate your English language skills, making your speech and writing more dynamic and nuanced. Practice using these verbs in sentences to familiarize yourself with their meanings and contexts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Please subscribe and click the notification button.